Hey everyone! Hey you! Before we start this lesson, I want to tell you something very honest. Most beginners never become fluent. Not because they're not smart, not because they don't work hard, but because they learn English the wrong way. They only read, listen, and memorize. They never feel, act, or express. And that's the truth nobody tells you. You can study for years, you can know all the grammar rules, but if your mouth stays silent, if your voice stays scared, you will always hesitate when you speak. And one day, you'll meet someone and you'll want to speak English, but your words will stop at your lips. Your heart will beat fast, and later you'll think, I knew what to say, but I couldn't say it. That moment hurts, doesn't it? That's why acting shadowing is so powerful. It's not just practice, it's transformation. Because in acting shadowing, you don't just copy words, you live the words. You copy the tone, the emotion, the rhythm, the feeling behind each sentence. When you do that, your brain starts learning like a native speaker, not by memorizing, but by feeling and doing. You stop sounding like a student. You start sounding like yourself in English. That's the moment when everything changes. Imagine this. You meet someone new. You speak clearly, naturally, without fear. You smile. They understand you. And for the first time, you feel, yes, I can really speak English. That's what acting shadowing can do for you. But if you don't learn it, you'll keep translating in your head, you'll keep worrying about grammar, you'll keep saying, I understand, but I can't speak. And that small fear will keep you quiet, not just in English, but in opportunities, in work, in travel, and in confidence. Because English isn't only a language, it's a bridge to the world. And if you don't cross it, the world stays far away. So today, right here, right now, I want you to promise yourself one thing. You will not be silent anymore. You will speak, you will shadow, you will act, you will feel English. Because when you start feeling English, you start becoming fluent, not only in words, but in life. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Forget perfection. Let's start this powerful journey together, step by step, emotion by emotion, word by word. Welcome to Acting Shadowing for Beginners. This is not just a video. This is your mirror, your practice room, your real English life. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start with a happy morning. Repeat after me with energy and a smile. Good morning. Good morning. I feel great today. I feel great today. I'm ready for something new. I'm ready for something new. I believe today will be amazing. I believe today will be amazing. Now breathe. Did you feel that? That's your first emotional rhythm. When your mouth smiles, your brain listens better. That's real shadowing. Now we'll move into your daily life. Use your natural voice, not too fast, not too serious, just real. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I take a deep breath. Now say it with calm tone. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I take a deep breath. Perfect. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. The smell feels warm and kind. Now you, match my accent and feeling. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. The smell feels warm and kind. Notice your tone. It's not about words, it's about warmth. Okay, now we'll add some real-life emotion. Imagine you're late for work. Feel that little panic in your chest. Oh no, I'm late again. Oh no, I'm late again. Where's my phone? Where's my bag? Where's my phone? Where's my bag? Now relief. I found it. Thank God. I found it. Thank God. Do you feel the emotion shift? That's the secret. When you act the emotion, your accent improves automatically. Now let's try a calm, friendly voice. This tone builds trust. Hi there. How are you today? Hi there. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. It's nice to see you again. It's nice to see you again. Would you like some coffee? Would you like some coffee? That's your social voice. Friendly, clear, confident. Practice this tone daily. It's the sound of comfort. Now we'll finish with gratitude and motivation. This tone should come from the heart. Today, I did my best. Today, I did my best. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself. Every day, I'm improving. Every day, I'm improving. My English voice is growing stronger. My English voice is growing stronger. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. Now close your eyes. Feel the rhythm of your breath. This is what real fluency feels like. Calm, confident, emotional English. You're not just learning English, you're living it. If you keep shadowing like this, not just the words, but the emotion, you will become fluent faster than you ever imagined. Because your brain learns feelings, not only facts. Every sound you copy with heart becomes part of your real voice. So practice again tomorrow. Smile when you speak. Breathe when you shadow. And remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to feel it. This is acting shadowing. And this is how you bring English to life.